Gappsi built these two new bocce courts for the Timberridge Park in Mount Sinai. Is a gated community, and the residents in this community really enjoy playing bocce. There were two existing bocce courts in the same place, and we rebuilt two new ones. The old ones were built with rail ties and they all rotted, but they were almost 30 years old. So we built two new Gappsi bocce courts, and we actually created a ramp in the center with synthetic turf between the two bocce courts, so the players can walk up to it and then step down to the court. We installed new scoring boards. These folks take the bocce game very, very serious. And there's also a over 50 community, so there are some older folks playing bocce. So that's why we create the ramp on both sides. The inside of the bocce court floor, we installed permeable synthetic turf. This makes the ball roll very freely. And on both sides of each court, we installed the turf all the way to the top. So this prevents the ball from hitting the wall and making a lot of noise. This is the latest bocce court installations done by Gappsi in Mount Sinai, New York.